Hey everyone! If you've got your website looking perfect with Elementor, but now you're ready to actually start sharing your stories and insights with the world, navigating from the WordPress backend to the visual editor can be a little confusing the first time you do it. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process to get your new blog post into the Elementor designer. Let's jump into the dashboard. First things first, log into your WordPress admin area. On that left-hand sidebar, look for the Posts menu. When you hover over it, a few options will pop out. You want to click on Add New. This opens up the standard WordPress block editor, which is essentially the birthplace for every single article you create on your site. Once the page loads, your cursor will likely be blinking right where it says Add Title. Go ahead and type in your headline. Don't worry if it's not perfect yet. You can always change it later. Giving your post a title now is important because it automatically generates your URL slug, making it much easier for search engines and readers to find your content later on. Now, here is a step many people miss. Before you try to use the visual editor, you need to save this container. Look at the top right corner and click that blue Publish button. You might have to click it a second time to confirm. By doing this, you're telling WordPress to officially register this post in the database. This activates the link between the standard WordPress system and the Elementor plugin. With your post officially published or saved as a draft, look right at the top of your screen in the center. You'll see the large silver button that says Edit with Elementor. Click that button. The screen will take just a moment to load as it switches from the text-based WordPress blocks to the powerful drag-and-drop Elementor canvas. You're now ready to design your post exactly how you imagined it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.